Today we will interview our topics. We start with the main is the first one.
I will interviewing him. First question is, what is your favorite sports and why?
My favorite sport is football because I love Ronaldo.
Second, do you prefer playing sports or watching them?
I like to play sport or watching them.
Third, what is your favorite athlete?
This is Ronaldo.
Have you ever played on a sports team?
No,
But what sport do you think is the hardest to play?
I think of table tennis because I can't see to develop.
Me. Six, do you like indoor or outdoor sport more?
Outdoor.
You like outdoor. Seven, which sport do you think is the most popular in the world?
I think basketball.
Eight, if you could try any sport, any new sport, what would it be?
I think ice hockey.
Nine, do you think sports are important for health? 10, have you ever been to a live sport match?
No.
Okay, so my question is not finished. So the next one is him.
And me, I think my topic is food. What is your favorite food? I like this noodle. 2. What food do you eat every day? I eat chicken rice. 3. Do you like spicy food? I love spicy food. 4. What is your favorite food? I love mango massage. 5. What is your favorite drink? I love palm. I like pink palm. 6. Do you like cooking? No, I don't like. 7. Who cook in your family? My mom cook me every day. I got cook. 8. What food do you eat on your birthday? I eat pizza. I like pizza. 9. What food do you want to try in the future? I want to try a 6-7 cookie. If you could eat only one food forever, what would it be? I will eat him. I'm him here. Okay. My third question is, what lobang do you like to pay? I like to pay Me too. How much money you spend on lobang? I spend money around like 5,000 baht. Yeah. How many hours you spend on lobang? I spend around 12 or 13 hours per day. Rate 1 to 10 on lobang. In your opinion? I think around 8. If one day lobang missing, what do you do? I will pay RV. Okay. If you can choose family or lobang, what you will choose? I think I choose family. Lobang is game. Do you have boyfriend or lobang? No, I'm boy. I have girlfriend. Okay. Which map is better between Brookhaven and Femboy Fullerton?
No answer for this question.
Oh. Which one? We have to choose.
No.
Okay. Are you still a Marriott team or Go Garden team?
Go Garden team.
Oh. Do you like it there? I want to on lobang. What you will?
I want infinity lobang.
Okay, my question again. Next one.
Yeah. Okay, so my topic about studying. What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is
Who is your
English.
Who is your favorite teacher?
My favorite teacher is Bird.
Very good. Okay, so next question. What subject do you find the most difficult?
I think it would be like electrical machine.
That's too hard. Okay, so do you prefer studying alone which friend?
I would prefer studying with friends.
What is your favorite thing about school?
I've heard the thing about school is like it's free to use phone in class. It's not like my old school.
What do you write in homework while on?
Oh, I like doing homework because like I hate math. Like, he gives so much homework and it's too much.
Okay. Next question. Which subject do you think is the most useful for a teacher?
I think it would be English subject because we use to communicate to other people if you want to work with like other